Tools used for pressing. First, an M8 hex key, rubber mallet. Do not use the hex key. Remove the internal nut on the crank. Okay, the second step, I use a rubber hammer. With one hand, hold these parts, this hand must hold it steady. Don't let the pressure please move.
Second, use this to hit in the direction of the crank.
Tap.
Look, it has already slowly come off on this side.
If you hit the pressure plate hard, it will move. If it moves slowly, the chain, key. According to this, do you see? It is an Allen wrench, not a screw. It is a hex key. This is...
Use your hand to wiggle it and slowly remove the chainring. The chainring can be removed. Remove the chain.
Remove the chain. The pressure plate is already removed. First, this chain is in the correct direction. It must align with this. This is called the pull piece. The booster's pull piece is placed here to install the chainring. It must be aligned. It is a hand. It is an inner hexagon. Do you see it? For the inner square, this is an inner square. Make sure to align it. This side is also an inner square. Make sure to align it for installation. Install, give. When installing directly, you must find the direction. It has a direction. Yes, cross. Do you see this? This direction is crossed. You see, it must be in a crossed direction with this. It cannot be installed in the same direction. It cannot be installed facing down like this. It won't be rideable. It must be crossed with the crank. This part must be on this side. It must be crossed. Okay, let's install it. After installation, directly screw it on. During the process, it will directly go onto the inner screw and tighten it. During the process, the chainring is pushed inward clockwise.
Okay, hold the chainring steady. Don't let it rotate. Tighten it. Make sure to tighten it well.
Check if it's tightened by shaking the chain ring. If the chain ring doesn't move, then it's tightened. After tightening, put on the chain. The tire off the ground, clockwise.
Oh, okay, installation complete.